How to add and remove trusted phone number on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to Sign In and Security. Here, scroll down to the Security section and tap on Two-Factor Authentication. You can view all your added devices and phone numbers used for verification over here. If you want to add more numbers, then tap on Add a Trusted Phone Number as shown. Enter your iPhone passcode over here to continue. Here, add in the details of the number you want to add and then tap on Continue below. If you want to remove a phone number instead, then go back to the previous page and tap on that contact. And then, tap on Remove from Account as shown. Following these steps, you can easily add and remove trusted phone number on iPhone.